Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can open the photo mode in F1.24. The first thing that you need to do is open the instant replay / flashback. So you can do that by opening the pause menu and then choosing that exact option. Or if you are playing on the Xbox controller, you want to press the view button while racing, or the touchpad on PlayStation controller, or X on your keyboard. Then once you are in the instant replay, then you want to choose the moment that you want to capture. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one. And now in order to open the photo mode, you want to use the menu or options button on your controller, or if you are playing on keyboard, then you want to press tab. And now we are in the photo mode. At the bottom you can see the buttons that you can use. We have presets and options. We can go through all of them and adjust pretty much everything that we need to do. Even the colors, we can apply some filters if we want to. We can increase the brightness. We have lots of different effects. We have some overlays as well. We have grid lines for help. We have the logo position and so on and so forth. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.